We'll guide you through how to animate cape in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import a character image with a cape or import a separate cape layer from your computer. After the files have been imported, place the layers into the timeline so they become visible inside the composition. Arrange the layers correctly so the cape appears attached to the character. Once the layers are positioned properly, select the cape layer by clicking it in the timeline. After selecting the cape layer, choose the puppet pin tool from the toolbar at the top of the screen. Use the puppet pin tool to add pins on the top, middle, and bottom of the cape. Place the top pin near the area where the cape connects to the character. Place the middle pin in the center area, and place the bottom pin near the lower edge of the cape. After placing the pins, create the starting pose by leaving the cape in its normal resting position. Next, move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the next movement to happen. After moving the playhead, adjust the pins by dragging them slightly to create a waving motion. Move the middle and bottom pins to simulate fabric flowing in the air while keeping the top pin more stable. After changing the pin positions, new keyframes will be created automatically. Continue moving the playhead forward and adjusting the pins again to add more keyframes for smoother movement. Alternate the pin positions so the cape waves naturally from side to side. Repeat this process several times until the motion looks continuous. After completing the keyframes, preview the animation by playing the timeline from the beginning. Watch the cape carefully and make sure the waving motion looks smooth and connected to the character. If needed, adjust the keyframes until the movement appears correct. Once everything looks good, save your project file to keep your progress. After saving, add the composition to the render queue for exporting. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to begin exporting the final video. Wait until rendering finishes. Your cape animation is complete.